Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Whirlpool split AC and the remote of that AC looks something like this and your AC remote is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you are in emergency if you want to use your AC from mobile, then today I am going to tell you how you can use AC from mobile very easily. So let's start the video. Before using AC from mobile, you should note that if you have Mi Xiaomi Redmi phone then only you can use AC from your mobile, that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC offline anytime. So friends, first of all open the Play Store in your mobile. After opening Play Store, search Mi Remote. Install Mi Remote. Mi Remote is installed. Now agree to all terms and conditions of Mi Remote. Now you touch in Add Remote. After that the main page of Mi Remote app will open. In the main page you go to the AC symbol. Now pay attention that you turn on the main supply of your AC. And now search and find Whirlpool. Now go to Whirlpool and now how to use AC remote. Use your mobile in the same way. And now you can see in mobile screen, checking available configuration 1 to 13. Now you can see blue color power button in mobile. Now press the power button. If your AC is making a beep sound after pressing the power button, does device respond? So you have to yes. And if your AC is not beeping then you have to no. After that second remote will come. If your AC is not connecting then continue this process further by doing no. And you have to no, keep doing it until your AC is making the beep sound. Now my AC is making beep sound in first time, so now I will touch yes. Then press the power button again. Now you can see in the screen as the device turned off, so you do yes. Now paired will come in the next page. Now you touch in paired. After that your remote will be fully created. Now you can use your AC very easily with this remote. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.